San Jose, the largest city in Silicon Valley, often carries a reputation as the beating heart of the tech industry, a place where innovation thrives and job opportunities are seemingly endless. But beneath this shiny veneer, the reality isn't always as glamorous as its image suggests. Despite being home to some of the world's biggest tech giants, like Adobe, Cisco, PayPal, eBay, and Zoom, San Jose faces its own set of challenges, including a growing unemployment rate that has triggered a ripple effect of social issues throughout the city. This is the hidden side of San Jose. Located in Northern California, San Jose is not only the largest city in Silicon Valley, but also one of the world's leading technology hubs. With a per capita income of around $62,000, it's clear that this city thrives on innovation and entrepreneurial spirit. The city's population of nearly 1 million people makes it the third largest in California, behind only Los Angeles and San Diego. However, beneath this economic success lies a more complicated story. San Jose has a rich and diverse history that stretches back thousands of years. Originally inhabited by the Tamian people of the Olón tribe since 4000 BC, the area underwent a dramatic transformation with the arrival of Spanish colonizers in 1777. The indigenous population was often enslaved by the Spanish and forced to labor in the missions. Officially established as a settlement in 1777 during Spain's Portola expedition, San Jose played a crucial role in securing California from potential Russian and British colonization. After Mexico gained independence from Spain in 1821, the region experienced further growth, particularly through land grants known as ranchos. San Jose briefly held the distinction of being California's first state capital in 1850 following the Mexican-American War, which saw California ceded to the United States. Today, San Jose's cultural landscape is as rich as its history. The city boasts vibrant communities of Hispanic, Vietnamese, Japanese, and Portuguese descent, creating a tapestry of diverse traditions and customs. This blend of cultures has contributed to the city's unique identity, with festivals, markets, and restaurants showcasing the variety of influences. Once an agricultural center, San Jose experienced a rapid evolution into a technology powerhouse by the late 20th century, transforming both its economy and skyline. San Jose's climate is another of its appealing features, offering a Mediterranean feel with over 300 days of sunshine each year. Residents enjoy access to beautiful parks, expansive shopping centers, and renowned attractions, making it a city that seems to have it all. On paper, it appears to be a prosperous place, with the median household income in 2024 reaching an impressive $141,000. However, living in San Jose comes at a steep price. The cost of living, particularly housing, has skyrocketed, leaving many residents struggling to make ends meet. Home prices have surged to levels that put immense pressure on even middle-income families, contributing to a growing homeless population and widening the gap between the city's wealthy and its working class. San Jose is grappling with a darker side of urban life as homelessness continues to rise, visible in makeshift encampments under bridges, along roadsides, and throughout public parks. In fact, the city now ranks 4th in the United States for homelessness. By 2023, approximately 9,903 people were recorded as homeless, many of them living on the streets, in tents, or by the rivers. These individuals face harsh conditions without access to adequate sanitation, clean water, or health care. They are exposed to extreme weather and the spread of disease due to the unhealthy living environments. A primary driver of homelessness in San Jose is the exorbitant cost of housing. The average home price has surged beyond $1.3 million, while rent for a one-bedroom apartment is around $3,000 per month. These skyrocketing prices have left many unable to afford a stable place to live, forcing them into homelessness. Successful models, like the one implemented in Houston, Texas, offer a potential blueprint for San Jose. Houston has focused on providing permanent housing solutions and streamlining access to services, helping to significantly reduce homelessness. Their approach, which prioritizes housing before addressing issues like addiction or unemployment, is seen as a potential solution for San Jose. However, the high cost of living and limited affordable housing in the area present major challenges, making it difficult to address the crisis without significant structural change. Few people know that San Jose, in addition to being a tech hub, also has a bustling underground nightlife, with prostitution playing a notable role. Although prostitution is illegal in California, San Jose has several hot spots around Interstate 280 and San Jose Avenue, where sex workers are frequently seen. Their presence has raised concerns among residents about safety and the overall impact on the surrounding neighborhoods. The San Jose Police Department actively conducts operations to combat prostitution and human trafficking, often through undercover work. In 2023, more than 20 individuals were arrested in a major operation aimed at tackling illegal prostitution, highlighting the widespread nature of the issue in the city. In addition, many cases of human trafficking are linked to prostitution, with several women being rescued from brothels located throughout the city. Community efforts have also increased to provide rehabilitation and alternative employment options for sex workers, though the issue remains controversial. Some advocate for the legalization of prostitution under strict regulation to protect sex workers and reduce exploitation, while others believe that such a move could normalize an inherently exploitative industry. As of now, prostitution remains illegal in San Jose, but it continues to be a part of the city's nightlife, reflecting the complex social challenges that persist alongside its technological and economic growth. The lives of drug addicts in San Jose present another grave threat to the city's social fabric. The widespread use of illicit substances, including opioids, methamphetamine, and fentanyl, has led to numerous overdose cases, inflicting severe damage on individuals, families, and the broader community. The impacts of drug addiction go far beyond health problems. They extend to job losses, housing instability, and the worsening of mental health issues, which further entrench addicts in a cycle of despair. San Jose law enforcement has made significant efforts to combat drug trafficking. Raids targeting drug dealers operating both on the dark web and in the streets have resulted in the seizure of large quantities of narcotics, weapons, and cash. These operations have also led to the arrests of criminals involved in drug smuggling and distribution networks. Despite these extensive law enforcement actions, drug abuse remains a persistent and serious challenge in the city. Although San Jose has not reached the level of a drug crisis seen in nearby San Francisco, city leaders are working diligently to prevent such a scenario from unfolding. San Jose does not have the same open-air drug markets that have become notorious in parts of San Francisco, but drug trafficking still poses a threat in more concealed environments. This issue has drawn increasing attention as the community and officials remain vigilant against its spread.
Crack down on the drug dealers. We have so in the past, working with our partners, whether it be the sheriff or the district attorney.
Gang and organized crime activity in San Jose has long been a major concern for law enforcement. One of the most prominent gangs operating in the area is Nuestra Familia, which is part of a larger criminal network in California. This network includes connections with powerful drug cartels and prison gangs, such as the Mexican Mafia and Surenos. In 2016, a major FBI operation targeting gang activity in San Jose resulted in the arrest of a high-ranking Sureno gang leader, Jesus Armendariz. Armendariz was involved in a wide range of criminal activities, including conspiracy to commit extortion, drug trafficking, and firearms violations. During his trial, he admitted to serving as a key link between the Surenos and the Mexican Mafia, underscoring how deeply organized these groups are in their operations. Their criminal enterprises often revolve around the distribution of methamphetamine and gang-related killings. Armendariz was far from the only criminal apprehended during the operation. Numerous other gang members were convicted of various offenses, part of a broader strategy by the FBI and the Santa Clara County Violent Gang Task Force to curb gang violence in the San Jose area. Surenos in the city are notorious for their violent activities, including murder and armed robbery, which they use to maintain their dominance in the local underworld. In addition to gang violence, San Jose also has a long history of mafia-related crime. The San Jose crime family, a branch of the larger Italian-American mafia, has been involved in various criminal enterprises since the mid-20th century. These activities have included extortion and the orchestration of the local drug trade. Although the influence of the San Jose crime family has waned in recent decades, their presence is still felt in the city's criminal landscape. The remnants of this mafia group continue to operate in the shadows, contributing to the complex and dangerous world of organized crime in San Jose. Despite San Jose's reputation as a thriving tech hub in the heart of Silicon Valley, the city is also plagued by significant issues like corruption, economic inequality, and high poverty rates. These darker aspects reveal a complex reality beneath the city's gleaming skyscrapers and innovation-driven economy. One of the most notable corruption scandals in recent years involved former Santa Clara County Sheriff Lori Smith, who was found guilty of corruption charges in 2022. The scandal centered around the illegal issuance of concealed weapon permits to campaign donors, raising serious concerns about the misuse of power. Although Smith retired and avoided jail time, her case exposed the deeply ingrained issues of corruption within local law enforcement. Corruption in San Jose also manifests in forms of nepotism and favoritism within the local government, eroding public trust and tarnishing the city's integrity. San Jose's poverty levels have also been on the rise, particularly in the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic. Around 1.4 million people in the broader Bay Area, including San Jose, now live below or near the poverty line. Many of these individuals are employed full-time, but still struggle to achieve financial security due to the city's exorbitant cost of living. Housing costs, in particular, continue to soar, making it increasingly difficult for low and middle-income residents to make ends meet. In response, the local government has introduced basic income programs aimed at providing financial assistance to vulnerable groups. These initiatives, while a step in the right direction, have yet to significantly alleviate the widespread poverty that grips the city. The economic disparity between San Jose's wealthy tech elites and the working-class population has only grown wider, fueling social tensions and perpetuating cycles of hardship. Education plays a crucial role in breaking the cycle of poverty. Reports show that 56% of residents who have only a high school diploma live at or near the poverty line, compared to just 12% of those with a college degree who face similar economic struggles. This stark contrast highlights the importance of access to higher education as a pathway out of poverty. However, For many San Jose residents, the costs associated with pursuing higher education remain prohibitive, further entrenching inequality across the region.